Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel English by Shweta. So first of all, I want to say sorry for not able to upload videos. So it's already 13 days passed away and I haven't uploaded a single video in last 13 days. So I'm really feeling guilty about this because in last in the month of January, I was able to upload at least 10 videos, but in this month of Feb, it's I was not able to upload a single video. So that's why I'm feeling so guilty. So first of all, I want to tell you that in last 13 days I was still working on my English. So what's happened, why I was not able to upload videos? So the reason behind this is I was not feeling motivated to record video. That's why I was not uploaded any video. So in this video I am going to tell you how you can be consistent to learn English. So it is really hard to on daily basis work on English. You really need motivation from your inside. So sometimes you will not feel like motivated to learn English. So learning a new language is really a big task if you are not interested. So last 13 days I was improving my English. I was learning. I was still consistently learning, but somehow I was not able to record videos because I am not getting time. If I say yes, I have time, but I wanted to rest. I was enjoying because I'm feeling like I'm letting it go. So because I am feeling so lazy, sometimes I'm feeling lazy. I still had time, but I was not recording video. But the reason behind is this, because because I am feeling lazy. So that's why, I want to tell you that if you really want to learn English, then you consistently need to work on your English. On the daily basis you need to speak, you need to write, you need to learn new words, you need to speak with English speakers, or if you don't have anyone with you to speak, you can even talk with Chat GPT, and there are so many things nowadays available. By using those things you can improve your English. So now in this video I want to tell you that why I was not recording video. So last 13 days I was sometimes feeling so low, feeling not feeling like motivated. So and I don't know why, but I'm not feeling to record, I'm not feeling to work because I think you don't know guys that I am also working. I am working as a 10 to 6 job. So 8 hours is my working time, and traveling, it takes me at least 4 hours into traveling to my way to work. So 2 hours in the morning to reach my office, and 2 hours in the evening to reach my home, back to my home. So 4 hours in traveling. So sometimes I really feel exhausted. So that's why I was not able to record video. So as I can see, today is 16th of Feb, and now I am recording this video. And now somehow I took motivation, and finally I decided that to record this video. So if you are also really want to improve your English, no matter what, you need to work on daily basis. So today is 16th of Feb and I am recording this video. So in today I'm going to tell you what I did to improve my English. So today I watched 2 English videos on YouTube in a high volume, so I can listen those videos properly. And what I do is I read the sentences, I turn on the caption if sometimes I feel like I didn't get any word from that podcast. So I watched 2 podcasts, and so if I know some new sentences, I try to speak those sentences in loud voice. So I also request you to, if you want to improve your English, please listen more and more English videos and try to speak those sentences loud. So what you can do, if you are feeling if you are not feeling repeat those sentences in public space, what you can do is you go to alone space, start watching those videos and repeat those sentences from YouTube, you that podcast, that video. So this is the only way how you are going to improve your English. The second way is you can learn more English words by dictionary, or by your if you are using Android mobile, then you already have Chat GPT, you have Google, you have so many sources available to learn English. So I request you to start working on your English on daily basis, no matter what. If one day you are feeling like not to work on your English, what you can do is should at least spend 5 minutes to speak in English in front of mirror, or you can speak with your, if you have any English speaking partner, you can speak with them. Or what you else you can do, you can call customer care, and you can select English language, and you can also speak with them in English. So they are not going to judge you on the basis of your fluency. So this is the thing, yeah, that you can also follow it. So thank you for watching this video. Today is 16th Feb, so I finally able to record this video. So let's meet in tomorrow, that is 17th Feb. So bye guys.